Welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over some algebraic operations on vectors graphically. So let's begin by sketching u and v. So u has a tail here at 0, 0, and its tip, its arrowhead at 3, 1. And let me fix that arrowhead, it looks really bad. And now let's go ahead and sketch v, which again has its tail at 0, 0, and its arrowhead, its tip, at 1, 2. And let's see if I can do better with this arrowhead. I should probably wait to sketch them until after I've sketched the line. There it is. That one actually was a bit better. There we are. So now to do u plus v, we can draw these tip to tail. So here's v. I'm going to include u here, starting at the tip of v and ending 3 over 3 and up 1. So this would be over 3 and up 1. It would end here. This is u. This is also u. And then look, if I put v here, here's the tail of v connected to the tip of u. And I'm going to go over 1 and then up 2. And here's v again. And look at that. Here is, right there, this is u plus v. So that is u plus v. It is done. All right, next let's look at v minus u. So here is v again in green. And I want to start at the tip of v, start with the tail of negative u. So again, negative u is going to point in the opposite direction. So here's u. Negative u would go this way. Oops, that doesn't look very straight. There we are. So negative u, instead of going to the right 3 and up 1, I'm going to go to the left 3 and down 1. So let's go ahead and do that. Here is the tail of u, and I'm going to go to the left 3 and down 1. This is negative u. Now instead of using a parallelogram, and that tells me that if I start here, there we are, at the origin, and go to the tip of negative u, this vector here is v minus u. Okay, so we've done v minus u. So now we're going to do u minus 2v. So let's think of what 2v would look like. 2 times v, well, that would be this vector here. This would be 2v. So what would minus 2v look like? Well, that would be in this direction, down 4 over 2, which I don't have enough space for here. So minus would be down 4 over 2. This would be minus 2v. So all I need to do is attach minus 2v to this tip here. So I'm going to go ahead and sketch it. But before I do, I'm going to extend my grid a bit. There we are. I extended my grid. And I'm going to just go ahead and sketch. Here is negative v. Here's negative v. And remember, I need negative 2v, so I need to do this again. There we are. So this is negative 2v. So I need to literally move this. Those of you who have tablets can do this really easily so that this tail touches this tip. As you can see, I made a copy of this vector. and that would go here. Look, if you would like, we can finish the parallelogram, but you don't have to. You can just use the triangle. And this right here is our desired vector. And since I'm kind of getting a bit cluttered, I'll do this one in red. There we are. And in red, we have u minus 2v. Okay, so now really quickly, just to make sure it's clear which is which, here is our first vector we wanted. Here is the next vector we wanted. And then finally, the third that we wanted. And I'm just highlighting them. The vector isn't the highlight, it's the line with the arrow. But that makes it real clear which one is which. This is u plus v here, graphically. This is u minus v here, graphically. And this is u minus 2v, graphically. All right, keep calm and math on.